Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky appliance issues into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the Frigidaire Oven F96 error code, specifically for 2025 models. If you've ever stared at that blinking F96 on your oven display and felt completely lost, you're in the right place. This error typically signals a problem with the oven's temperature sensor or control board, which can disrupt your baking plans in a big way. First off, let's talk about what causes this error. In many cases, it's due to a faulty temperature sensor that's not reading accurately, or maybe some wiring issues from wear and tear. Other culprits could include a malfunctioning control board or even simple things like accumulated dirt or a power surge. The good news is that you might be able to fix this yourself without calling in a professional right away. To start troubleshooting, ensure your oven is unplugged for safety. Always prioritize that. Once it's off, wait about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and see if the error clears. If not, check the temperature sensor located at the back of the oven. You'll need to remove the rear panel carefully. Use a screwdriver and gloves for this. Inspect for any visible damage, like burns or loose connections. If everything looks okay, you might need to test the sensor with a multimeter. A reading outside the normal range, usually around 1000 to 1100 ohms at room temperature, means it's time for a replacement. If you're not comfortable with electrical tests, consider resetting the oven's control board by disconnecting the power for 10 to 15 minutes. Remember, if the error persists after these steps, it's best to call a certified technician to avoid any risks. Frigidaire ovens are built tough, but electronics can be finicky. There you have it, a straightforward guide to tackling the F96 error code. By following these steps, you could save time and money. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay safe and happy fixing.